Another theory, the third theory, is poverty caused by economic, political, and social distortions. Some poverty is caused by those three things: economic, political, and social distortions, which cause people to have limited opportunities and resources. Research says that there is a link between wealth and power. Wealth people have power and the poor people have no power. So the poor people are less involved in political discussions. Their interests are not considered in the political processes and they are excluded at very many levels. Of course, and they'll keep remaining poor. And then another way is the social way. The social way whereby people are discriminated according to their race, the gender, the disability, religion, or other groupings, leading them to have limited opportunities regardless of their personal capabilities. So poor people have limited opportunities no matter what they can do, no matter their potential. To get somewhere, you must at least have power in order for you to become wealthy or rich, or you must have a connection somewhere. Let's look at the anti-poverty programs from a structure of poverty perspective, whereby the poverty comes from the political, economic, and social structure of either a society or a country. So if the problem of poverty is in the system rather than in the poor themselves, what is supposed to be done first is to change the system. And changing of the system can take place at very many levels, at grassroots levels, social movements that can exert pressure on the vulnerable parts of the system to force desired change. You support the disabled people, women emancipation, things like that. You stop the discrimination, so it can help to reduce such kind of poverty. Secondly, is creating and developing alternative institutions which have special qualities of access, openness, innovation, and willingness to help the poor gain well-being. For example, the introduction of UGE and UPE, the universal primary education and universal secondary education that helps the poor to study for free. It gives them access to free education. So it can help to reduce on poverty from a structure perspective. Finally, is that change can occur through the policy process. For example, providing jobs, raising the wages of workers, expanding the safety net to other areas like the villages, assuring effective access to medical care by putting government hospitals, and coordinating social insurance programs. So those are the three anti-poverty programs from a structure of poverty perspective.